So children, as you can see in the chat section, there's a syllabus link, which, entails the detailed mathematics class 6 syllabus for the Olympiads. Then there's a payment link, there's a feedback link. In case you want to inquire about the upcoming and ongoing batches, you can click on this link for all batch details. In case you have some query, then you can drop us an email or WhatsApp on this number. And in case you're having an unstable connection, you want to watch this demo live on FB, you can click on this link. Okay. No topic for Parthiv. Okay. All topics are easy. All right. Good. So which is your favorite subject? Is it maths for all of you or is it some other subject? Maths for Ashaz, we know. Your camera is not working, but your keyboard is working, is it? Can we get responses from you as well? Gandhi, am I audible to you? Okay, maths is favorite for Ashaz and Parthiv. Shaurya, what about you? Are you still thinking? Maths for Shaurya as well. Okay, maths and science for Dhey. All right. So children, now quickly, let me tell you about the flow of the session. So first of all, you'll get to know your mentor, and then you'll see a short informative PPT. After that, you'll go on a virtual tour of dashboard of Olympiad success. And in case you have a doubt, you can always ask your doubt after the tour in the chat section. We'll be happy to answer. And after all these things, your actual demo will begin. Okay. So I hope the flow of the session is clear to you all. Is it? Show me a thumbs up if it is. Very good. Okay. So now let me tell you that we have with us Gunjan ma'am. She's a wonderful mentor. Teaching is her passion. She loves to interact with kids like you. And I'm sure you're going to love her sessions because each session will bring conceptual clarity to you, right? So I'll not speak much. I'll request Gunjan ma'am to speak to you directly. All over to you, ma'am.
Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Okay. Yes. So good evening, everyone. I'll be your mentor for this batch. Those who will enroll, we will meet some days in the week and we will do some. Okay, Ashas, right now I'm joining batch. Okay, good. Yes, Ashas, I know you. You have already joined my batch right now. And can I get the detail that in which class you people are right now? Please write it in the chat. In which class you are? Yes, Ashas, you are in 5th. All okay. So, yes, I have now gone to 6th. Okay, so okay, means you have cleared your exams and you just reached to 6th class, right? Or still final exams are remaining? Okay, I assume that most of the students are already in 6th class or they will move in 6th class in the upcoming days. Okay, Ashas. Okay, sure. You have cleared the exam. So what we are going to do in these classes, we are going to cover the normal topics that are in your school syllabus, plus we will do some extra questions that comes in your Olympiads. Have you given Olympiad papers earlier? How many of you are first time giving and how many of you have already given questions? Are you aware of the Olympiads? Yes, Asha's okay. Swara is giving first time. Okay. Yes, other students. See why we are putting you questions so that you should all be interactive in the class. Whenever I ask you questions or any teachers ask you question, you should be alert and should be interactive so that teachers should also feel that yes, what we are saying, you people are listening. Okay. Parthiv is giving first time. Okay. What about you others? What about others? They, Farhan, have you already given Olympiad exam earlier, or this is first time for you? Yes, what happened? I'm not getting response. Okay, Asha is saying I'm gonna get 1 gold medal in maths, SOF. Okay, okay. They is saying that he is giving first time. So, do you know that what is the basic difference? What is in Olympiad? What is the difference between from a normal classes or normal syllabus? Do you know that? Okay, no, I have given. Okay, Farhan is saying not given. Okay. So basically, what happens in Olympiad question? Your topic remains the same that you study in your classes or your regular classes or in your schools. Topics are same, but they just twist the questions and ask you in a different manner so that they just want to understand that you are able to understand those questions or not, that what it is actually asked. Okay, there is nothing new concept or new topic that you don't know. Everything that they ask, you have already covered in your school syllabus. Only difference is you should understand the question that what is asked. Okay, and in our classes, you're actually going to understand that concept that okay. It is not as it is not very much difficult that you people are thinking, or for those who are giving it first time. Many of the students who has given this Olympiads first time, even they have cracked level 1 and achieved good positions in level 2 also. Okay, so I think you people will be clear in your content that what you are going to do. Don't hesitate in asking, but one thing I want from all, that you all should be interactive in the class. Otherwise, I'm not going to understand that who is understanding and who is not. Okay, okay, Parthiv, are you getting my point? Yes or no? Right now you people are on mute, but in class you will be unmuted and you can give your answers, and you feel that some part is not clear, you can ask me at the same time. Okay, Swara, are you there? Can you switch on your camera? I'm not able to see you. Okay, Farhan. Yes, there is some emoticons of thumbs up also, so that we can continue that yes, all got it. Okay. Okay, and okay. Yes, Pooja ma'am, you can continue. Monica ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So children, now allow me to share my screen, just a moment, and then we are good to go. Just a moment, I'll share that again. So I hope my screen is visible to you all. So a very warm welcome to the demo and interaction program for Class 6 Mathematics Olympiad. As you are already aware, Olympiad Success is India's largest online preparation platform for Olympiad exams. Olympiad Success Live is India's first exclusive live classes for Olympiad's preparation. And School Plus by Olympiad Success is one of its own kind of annual program that includes 8 courses that really matter at this point of time in your life, which include mathematics, English, science, logical reasoning, communication, both spoken and written, Vedic math, and coding. So here you get one-on-one online CBSE, ICSE, IGCSE, and IB classes for grades 2 to 12, one-on-one preparation classes for international mathematics Olympiads like SASMO, CMO, HKIMO, TIMO, Math Counts, US Common Core Math Competition, Math Kangaroo, and PRMO. So you can meet our international rank holders for the year 2021-22 on the screen. So classes are going to be group sessions with batch size of around 20 students delivered through Zoom by seasoned tutors. You've already met your mentor, Gunjan ma'am. So you get 3 sessions per week. Note down the class days and the class timings. The days will be Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. Timing will be 6:30 p.m. to 7:45 p.m. with 5 minutes of break in between. The sessions will comprise of theory, practice question, doubt session, discussion on previous year papers. You'll get access to reading material and practice questions available on the dashboard of Olympiad Success. You can also practice topic-wise mock tests for both maths, reasoning, as well as logical reasoning. Now, how to access those, you will get to learn very shortly in the short tour of the dashboard. Now, syllabus is available at this particular link for Class 6 Mathematics. Fees for this course is 11,151 rupees. It is going to be a 50-session course, and the fees includes online classes, daily reading notes and exercises, practice of previous year papers, and access to Olympiad Success Platform for mathematics and logical reasoning. All that you require for these classes is a laptop or desktop with good internet speed, with camera, because we do not allow students without video in the class, headphones for better audio clarity. In 2021-22, Olympiad Success had students from more than 3,800 schools across India and abroad, hailing from 35 plus countries. Now, the live classes for this particular batch begins from Wednesday, 10th of April, 2024. So I hope you've noted down all the relevant details. Now I would request Pooja ma'am to take you through a virtual tour. All over to
Thank
you,
you so much. Thank you so much, Monica ma'am. Good evening, everyone. I hope you all are doing pretty well. Farhan, Dhaye, Swara, please turn on your cameras. Hope my screen is visible to everybody. You have to enter this URL olympiadsuccess.com to just go through your dashboard, okay? So the moment you'll enter this, you'll get this page on your screen wherein you need to enter your correct user details and password. If you'll not fill it correct, you'll not be able to log in. After logging in, you'll get this personal details on your screen wherein you need to check these details that all these details are correct. If there is any error, you can just rectify it and click on update button. Okay. After this, you have to just click on this live classes, which is right under this my referral page icon. After this, you have to select your subject for a specific subject you want to see your material. Okay. So here we are in mathematics and demo. So I'm going to select mathematics subject. After this, I'm going to select topic also for which specific topic I want to see the reading material and question papers. Okay. So I'm going to select number system. See, after selecting the topic, I only got the reading material as well as question papers. Before selecting, you will not get the material. So now here you can see the schedule, right? Schedule is basically meant for like in this session, we're going to cover which specific topic. So this will be easy reference for you that you should not miss any of your class. So make sure that you should download this schedule and you can keep it in your, you can keep it saved in your device also. Okay, for that you just need to click over here on this red line, click here to download the PDF, all right? After this, there is a holiday calendar. This is for your reference that you should not take any unnecessary holidays because already classes there and thrice in a week. So you should attend each and every session. After this, you already have a festival holidays, so wherein you can attend each and every class smoothly. Okay. So here is the reading material. You can see there are 5 sets. Okay. So you just need to click it over here to just see your reading part. You can download this PDF by clicking it over here. Each and every set is having a downloadable file. So you can download it and you can keep it safe in your device. This is set 2. Set 3. Set 4. Set 5. Right, so here are these all are reading here. Now these are the question papers. So this is question 1, set 1. So I want you to download this PDF, take out the printout, and then solve this paper. Don't see the answer keys beforehand, because that will only give you the actual practice. Okay, so this is a question paper. You can just click it over here. You can download, take out the printout, and solve it. Once you're done, you can check your answers over here by clicking the answer keys, that whether you have done correct or you have marked any mistake. All right. Answer key. Set 3. So you can see there are so many questions for your practice. So if in each set there are 10 questions, so as per the 5 set, you got 50 questions for your practice. Okay, so in live classes option, you will get this reading period, your question papers, your answer keys, your schedule, and your holiday credit. All right. So after this, I'm taking you to worksheet, which is right after this dashboard button. You have to just click on that, and then you have to select your subject, for which specific subject you want to see the worksheets. So you can select the number also. You want to see 10, 25, 50, 100 as many worksheets you want. So I'll show you that how you can attempt this worksheet. For attempting, you have to just go on this take exam and you have to click on it. While clicking on take exam, you will get these general instructions on your screen, wherein you can read these instructions carefully, and then excuse me. You have to read these instructions carefully, and then you can just click on start worksheet. Make sure that you read the instructions carefully, that you should not commit any mistake while attempting your worksheet. All right. So you can see there are 50 questions in one worksheet. Okay. So there's a lot of practice again in the worksheet section also. So for example, I have done my question 1. I want to move on question 2. So how I'll go about it? You just read the question properly, solve your answer, and then click on this next button. I'm done with my question 2. I want to move on question 3. So in this way, you have to keep on clicking icon next, and you can attempt all these 50 questions. Okay. And after you're done with all these 50 questions, just review it once that you have not marked any mistake, and then you can submit. Okay. So for submission, you have to just click on this finish button. Yes, I've reviewed all the questions. Make sure that you submit your worksheet, otherwise you'll not be able to see your performance and how you have attempted the worksheet. Okay. So this is a feedback page you want to give there. You are okay to give. Otherwise, you can click on later button also. So after this, once you're done with the worksheet, you can see a performance of that specific worksheet, how you have performed in the worksheet. Okay. So for that, you have to just click on performance button, which is right after this worksheet button. For that, again, you have to select your subject, for which specific subject you want to see. Okay. So now you can see the date over here. For 28, I've attempted the worksheet. I want to see the performance. For that, you have to click on view button. I've attempted 2 questions, both are wrong. Okay, so you can click on review to see which answer was correct and which is wrong. Okay, this is how, again, feedback page. You can click on later or you can give it there and then on. This is how you have to operate your dashboard. For that, you have to just click on live classes, worksheet button, performance. So in each and every section, you have to just select your subject and topic, and then you're good to go to temp your worksheet and everything. Okay. So before moving ahead, you have to just log out. So this was all about dashboard. If anybody is having any query related to that, feel free to drop it in the chat box. I'll be happy to answer your query. Anybody is having any query related to dashboard? Or all clear? Yes, Ashas, Parthiv, Shaurya, Farhan, Fan. Oh, Fan is checking the dashboard. All right. They. I think everybody is clear with the dashboard. Over to you, Monica, ma'am. Nobody's having any. Okay, one query I got. No. All right.
Thank
Over to
you.
you, Monica, ma'am.
So no query, anyone? No problem. Then I have a problem. Can you solve that? What are the total number of sessions in this batch? Asha's Bhe Parthiv, yes, 50 is the correct answer. Okay, good. That means you were attentive during the PPT. Yes, Farhan. Okay. All right, Shaurya. So now can you tell me the timings for this batch? Six 6:30 to 7:45 p.m. Yes. Right. And what are the class days? So if you want different timing, I believe it's Farhan's mom. So what you can do is you can reach out on these numbers that are there in the chat section. And you can, inquire about all batch details you can find, and you can talk to someone from our team and they'll help you out. Okay. Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. Yes, that is the correct answer. Very good, everyone. So no doubts. Are you sure, everyone? Shall we begin with the demo then? All right then. All over to you, Gunjan ma'am.
Oh, thank you. So, how are you feeling now? You have already got some introduction about your Olympiad success and how we will begin with the sessions. Now only students and the teacher. Now, how are you feeling? Good, sad, happy? Okay, happy. Sure is saying happy or yes, please tell me. Excited? Nervous? Or feeling how we will do? We don't know. This is our first time. Yes, only I got response from Asha's. Sure. What about others? Parthiv? They? What happened? Parthiv is happy. Okay. Now, okay. So can you tell me that which topic we are going to study now in the demo? Any guesses? Any guesses? Okay, Asha is saying time. No, Asha's time is not in class 6th. Okay. Okay, Farhan is not at home now. No problem. Yes, which topic? Oh, they is right that we are going to start with algebra. Correct. Okay, so what do you understand by this algebra? Have you ever listened about that? This topic is not there in your class 5. Okay, Asha knows what is algebra. What do you mean by algebra? Why we use it? Can you give me any example where we can use algebra? Gandhi, no. You have not learned it earlier. Yes, I know that you have not, but do you have any idea that any elder brother, sister, that what you find in their books? Have you seen the some books of maths that are of your brother, sister, and they are having like x plus y plus 20 plus 50, and you say that what you do with this x, y, z, why it is written in maths books like that? Have you ever seen these types of equations? We put variable except number, which value we don't know. Correct. Asha's correct. Yes. So algebra is basically a topic that is used to find the value that is not known to you. Okay, that is not known to you. That means any unknown value, how you will find it. For example, let's take one example, that cost of the chocolate. And if you add rupees 2 in it, then it will give you rupees 8. Okay, can you find the cost of chocolate? In a cost of chocolate, Asha's. Okay, one more thing. You people are sending your answers to everyone. Please send it to Gunjan Jain. There is an option of 2, and there is everyone. You have selected everyone. You have to send it to me only. Okay. So the question is the cost of a chocolate. In the cost of a chocolate, if you add 2, you will get 8. Now, what is the cost of the chocolate? Please give me the answer. How will you find it? Yes, Jian? They, Parthiv. In the cost of a chocolate, suppose I am having some chocolate. Okay, and in this, if I add 2, I will get 8. But I don't know what is the cost of the chocolate. Can you find it what it will be? No? Not getting? Sure, correct. Jian, correct. Yes, Parthiv, correct. But send your answers to me only. Asha's, correct. See, now you don't know the cost of a chocolate. I was saying that in the cost of a chocolate, if you add rupees 2, you will get rupees 8. Now, what is the cost of the chocolate that you have to find, right? What you will add in 2 so that you will get 8? The answer is 6, right? So I was asking that this thing you don't know, right? So this is called your unknown. This is the unknown thing. When we find any unknown thing, that means we have to use algebra. That means to represent this. For example, if I write it like this, what should be added into so that you will get 8? Now this is a very easy question for first or second class. Now you can do it that 6 plus 2 will give you 8. Now in this equation, this is already fixed. That means it is a 2. So 2 will not change. This is known to you. 8 is also fixed. This is a number. That means all numbers are known. This is also known. And this is your unknown. So in algebra, we deal with 2 basic terms. One is known as variables and one is known as constants. Okay, those values that are known to you are known as constant. For example, you know that it is 2, all numbers. This will be constant. And this is also number, this is also a constant. But those unknown value that is not known to you are known as variable. Okay, so to represent the variable, we use alphabetic numbers for alphabetic letters. For example, X, Y, Z, A, B, C, any letter you can use, but you have to use it in small letters. So this thing we don't know how to frame the equation now. This we don't know. That means for question mark, we will write let it be X. We don't know the value of chocolate, cost of a chocolate. So let it be X. So X plus 2 is equal to 8. Okay, clear? When we don't know anything, we put it as X. We cannot write any number because it is fixed value. We cannot write it here 5, 7, 8 because we don't know what is the cost of a chocolate. So x plus 2 is equal to 8. This is how we formed the algebraic equation. So this is called your algebraic equation. Okay, why it is called algebraic equation? Because it is made up of variable and constants. Okay, and if it is having equals to, that means it is an equation. What is an equation? That is having some left hand side part, that is having some right hand side part, and there is some equation equal to here that we have equated the left hand side with the right hand side. So this is known as your algebraic equation. Is that clear? What is known, what is unknown? Now I'm giving you one more question. That Alice has 9 fruits in a bag. Listen to me properly. Alice has 9 fruits in her bag. Some fruits is taken by Rima, okay, from this bag, and 4 fruits are left. Can you find how many fruits were taken by Rima? I'm repeating. Alice has 9 fruits in a bag. Some fruits has been taken by Rima from his bag and 4 fruits are left. How many fruits were taken by Rima? Asha is correct, Shaurya Ranjan correct. Can you write the equation? How will you do it? Can you write the equation? How will you do it? Jian correct. But write it in algebraic equation in terms of x, y, z. How will you do it? What will be the answer? I'm repeating the question. Alice has 9 fruits in the bag. Some fruits are taken by Rima from this bag. And now 4 fruits are left. So how many? Yes, correct. Shaurya Ranjan. See, you have started doing algebra. See, Alice has 9 fruits in a bag. And Rima has taken some fruits. We don't know that. So we will means fraction. So I don't know how many bags, how many fruits, and now it is equal to how much fruits are left? 4. Now we don't know. I don't know. So how many constants here? Can you write it in the chat? How many constants are there? What you name? What are those constant here in this equation? What are those constant in this equation? How many constants are there in this equation? Can you do it? Yes, sure, correct. How many constants are there in this equation? 9 minus x equals to 4. Asha is correct. Yes, please write down. Jian 2. Yes, correct. But what are they? What are those 2 constants? 9 and 4. Correct. So this you already know. That means any constants are what? That are numbers. Okay. And variables are what? That are some that you have taken x, y, z, a, b, c like that. That you don't know. Okay. So this is your constant. This is your variable. And this is also constant. Okay. So now 9 minus x equals to 4. That means what will you subtract from 9 so that you will get 4? That means x is equal to 5, or we can say that Rima has taken 5 fruits from the bag. Is it clear? Should I give you one more question? Okay. Anshu has 9 strawberries. His cousin has given him 7 more. Now, can you tell me how many total strawberries are there? Repeating the question. Anshu has 9 strawberries. His cousin gave him 7 more. How many strawberries Anshu have? Yes, Trian, correct. Parthiv, correct. Yes, everyone is correct. Shaur, correct. Asha's correct. Parthiv correct. Jian correct. Correct. See, what I told, Anshu has 9 strawberries. Okay. And his cousin has given him 7 more. So how many total are there? I don't know. So let it be y. Now 9 plus 7 is equals to 16. That means my unknown value y is coming as 16. Okay. Any doubt? Any doubt up to here? Who is not able to understand any part of this? Are you all clear? Should we move to the next part? Okay, so you got some idea about how to do it. Okay, now let me share my screen so that you can understand that what we are going to study now. Now in this algebra, we have algebra means you are learning with letters also, you are learning with your numbers also. So you will be having x, y, z also 1, 2, 3, 4 in your equations. Okay, before that you have just learned with only numbers. Now you will be having x, y, z, a, b, c, d, anything like that. So we will understand what is an algebra, what are variable, what are constant, that you have already got an idea. Now how we will use variables to understand the properties, geometric shapes, how will you form algebraic equation, that you have already done right now. Now how will you do real life problems? Okay. So basically algebra is what? That is a division of mathematics that used to represent numbers or letters of the alphabet. You have to use only small letters like A, B, C, D up to Z. Any letter you can use. Suppose for the same question, Parthiv is using X, Farhan can use Y, and they can use Z. Okay, anything can be possible. You can take any letter, whatever you want. The letters that you don't know are replaced by the different numbers to obtain different answers. Okay. Therefore, as a letter assume varying numeric values, they are called variables. Okay. Because we don't know what will come, so they are called variables. Now, this is a real life example. Now you have to tell me, Bob cleans the car in a garage shop. For every car he cleans, he gets charged rupees 9. Now express total earning of Bob in terms of variable. Okay, what is missing in this question? Can you tell me? What is missing in this question? Correct. They correct. Correct. Asha is correct. What is missing in this question? Can you find the total earning? Read the question. Can you find the total earning? Yes, Jian, correct. Asha's correct. So here in this question, you know that for one car, he will get $5. But we don't know in a month how many total number of cars he has cleaned, right? So suppose we don't know. So that is unknown to you how many cars he has cleaned. So let it be how many cars? How many cars are there? We don't know. So what we will do? Frame the algebraic expression for this. How will we get the price, or we can get the total earning? Please do it. When we don't know, suppose if I say that the total car he has cleaned in a month is 50. So what will be the total earning? Yes, Asha is correct. If he has cleaned 50 cars, then what will be the earning? Total earning will be 5 into 50. That is equals to 250. But have I given, I have not given you that it is 50 here in this question. Now it is X, right? Now total earning will be calculated as let it be X. We don't know how many are there. So let it be X. Now what will be the total earning? What will be the total earning? 5X, correct. 5 into X. So total earning is your 5X. This will be your answer. It will be remain 5X only because X can be changed. If it is 50, if in 1 month he is cleaning 50 cars, then answer will be 50 into 5. If he is cleaning 20 cars, then answer will be 20 into 5. If he is cleaning 30 cars, then answer will be 30 into 5. So every time it is changing, it is not fixed. Now for unknown things, we mark it as x. So x into 5, that means variable into constant we are doing. This is called your algebraic expression. Okay, got it? When we don't know, we can leave it as x only. So here total earning is 5x. Clear? Clear everyone? What is your algebra? Okay. Now next. Now try to do this. Gargi is 10 years now. Express her age after 12 years. Now generalize her age after n years. What will be her age after 12 years? Can you tell me? What will be her age after 12 years? If she is 10 right now, after 12 years, what will be her age? They correct, but give your answers to me only, not to everyone. Asha's correct. Jian correct. Shaurya correct. Parthiv, what is your answer? Everyone, open your videos. Parthiv, give your answer to me only. Yes. If I ask what will be the age of Gargi in next year, what will be her age? Can you tell me what will be her age next year? What will be her age next year? No, Shaurya, that is not correct. Asha's M years they are asking. No, Asha is not correct. See, if I have to find next year what will be the age of Gargi. Right now she is 10. Next year that means only 1 I will add in it. So 10 plus 1 will give me 11. Okay. Now they are asking you, I express her age after 12 years. So right now she is 10. After 12 years, it will be 10 plus 12. That means it is 22. Okay. Now that means this is changing every time. Okay. So if I ask you what will be her age after 5 years, then what you will do? 10 plus 5 is equals to what? 15. Now in place of 5, 12, 1, they are asking what will be her age after n years? After n years. So it will be 10 plus m, not 22 plus m. Okay, 22 plus m will give you after 22 years, then you will add m in it. Okay, so 10 plus m present age plus after m years, she will be 10 plus n years. So this is a generalized statement that whenever we have to find her age after some years, then we will put the value of m, whatever it is given, and we will get the answer. So kind of formula you have formed. 10 plus m generalized means a formula you have formed. Whenever it is given to you, you will just substitute the value of m and you will get the answer. Got it? Clear? Okay, I'm giving you one question. Suppose I say that my age is 33 years. Okay. If I say my daughter is 30 years younger than me. 30 years younger than me. What is my daughter's age? What is my daughter's age? What is my daughter's age? Can you find? Yes, Jian correct. Asha's correct. Dhairya correct. Dhey correct, sorry. Dhey correct. Jian correct. Asha's correct. Shaurya correct. Correct. So what algebraic expression you have formed for this? How will you get the daughter's age? How you have formed? How you get this answer? Please tell me how you get the answer. Asha's correct. Okay. See, the difference between my daughter's age and me is 30 because I'm saying that she is 30 years younger than me. So my age minus my daughter's age, the difference is what? 30 years. Now, what is my age given to you? This is known to me that it is 33. Okay. What is my daughter's age? That I don't know. So this is unknown. So 33 minus x will give you 30. So what will you subtract from 33 so that you will get 30? Answer is 3. Okay, 33 minus 3 will give you 30. So my daughter's age is 3 years. Is it correct? Do you have any doubt? Everyone, please switch on your cameras. Is it clear, everyone? Okay. Now in arithmetic, we have some properties that is your commutative property, associative property, distributive property. This I think you have already learned in your previous classes also. That what is a commutative property? That whenever you add or multiply any two numbers, you can shift the order, you can change the order. That means if you are doing 3 plus 2 or 2 plus 3, both are same. You can change the order. 3 plus 2 or 2 plus 3 will give you the same answer. You can do 11 plus 13 or 13 plus 11. Both will give you the same answer, that is 24. Okay, this is called your commutative property. This follows for multiplication also. That means 2 into 5 or 5 into 2, both are correct. But can you do 3 minus 5 and 5 minus 3? Will they give you the same answer? No. Why? Because you cannot subtract a bigger number from a smaller. Here you will get minus 2, but here you will get plus 2. So both are not correct. So commutative property is correct for addition and multiplication, not for subtraction. Let's check for division also. Will 3 divided by 5 and 5 divided by 3 same? No. So this is also not correct. So commutative property, that means you can change the order of any two numbers. You will get the same answer. This is true for addition and addition and multiplication, not for subtraction and division. So we can generalize this in algebra also, that if you are writing a plus b or someone is writing b plus a, both are same. There is no problem in that. Or if you are writing a into b or someone is writing b into a, then both are correct. Okay. So this is true for algebra also. Okay. Next property is your associative property. That means if three numbers are given to you and you are adding in any order, suppose first I have given you 6 plus 4 plus 5. You are adding 6 plus 4 first and then adding with 5. So here you are getting 10. 10 plus 5 will give you 15. But someone is doing 6 plus 4 plus 5 like first he is adding 4 plus 5. That means answer is 9. And then he is adding with 6 and again he is getting 15. So both are correct. You can do like that also, like 6 plus 4 plus 5 is there. I am adding 6 plus 5 first. 6 plus 5 will give me how much? 11. So 11 plus 4 is 15 again. So that means you can add with any number. You can add in any group. You can make group of any two numbers first and then with the third, and then you will get the same answer. This is true for addition. Okay. This is true for multiplication also. Okay. Clear? If you are doing 1 into 2 into 3, you can add 1 in, you can multiply 1 into 2, that will give you 2. 2 into 3 will give you 6. Okay, you can do 1 into 2 into 3 like that, that you have multiplied 2 into 3, you will get 6. 1 into 6 again will give you 6. Right? So you can multiply in any group, you will get the same answer. But if it is given in terms of algebra, like a plus b plus c, you can add a plus b first and the answer you can add with c, or you can do a plus c and then add with answer with b. All are correct. So algebra follows associative property also. Clear? This is for multiplication. And this is called your distributive property. Do you know what is a distributive property, students? Have you done it earlier? Everyone, please switch on your cameras. Okay. They, okay, not possible. So 2 into 3 plus 4, that means some statement is written like this. So what we have to do, either you can do by bod mass. Bod mass means you will first, what you will do? You will, yes, please tell me, if this needs to be done with the help of bod mass, then what you will do? You will do parenthesis, that means bracket first. So 2 into 3 plus 4 will give you what? 2 into 3 plus 4 is 7. So 2 into 7 will give you 14. But if it is written like this, then what you can do? You have to multiply 2 into 3. That means 2 is multiplied with 3. Then 2 is multiplied with 4 and then addition. So 2 into 3 will give you 6. 2 into 4 will give you 8. Now, if you add also, it will give you 14. Okay, this is called your distributive property of multiplication over addition, because here we have used multiplication over addition. Is it clear? I think these properties you have learned in your previous classes. This follows in algebra also. Okay. Okay, now framing the algebraic equation. Now you have to do this. Okay. How will you write in terms of algebra? First, I am going to tell you how to do this first question. 8 more than y. How will we write it in terms of equation? 8 more means plus. So 8 plus y. This is your first answer. Now, can you write second question? What will be the answer of this second? Please write. Yes, Asha is correct. How will we write this? Jian, correct? Yes, everyone, please send your answers fast. How will we write this second statement, Parthiv? If 8 more than y is written as 8 plus y, x added to 4, how will you write it? I got that. I got only two answers. X added to 4. Sure? Yes, sure, correct? Yes. Correct. Someone is writing x plus 4. Someone is writing 4 plus x. Both are correct because it is using commutative property. Okay. X plus 4 or 4 plus x, both are correct. Now, please give me the answer for third. Decrease x by 20. It will not follow commutative property. Okay. Because it is decrease. Decrease means subtraction. Asha is correct. Please send me the answers for third one. Decrease x by 20. No, Jian, not correct. You have to decrease x. Yes, Jian, correct now. Parthiv, not correct. No, Parthiv. Decrease x. So this x needs to decrease. So decrease means minus by 20. So x minus 20. Got it? X minus 20. Now, next question. 7 less than z. 7 less than z. How will we do it? Seven minus z or z minus 7? Which one is correct? Both are not correct because it will not follow commutative property. Z minus 7 or 7 minus z? 7 less. 7 less. Then z. So z minus 7. 7 is less. 7 is less. So z minus 7. Okay. Z minus 7. 7 is less here. So z minus 7. Now try to do fifth question. Yes, Parthiv. 9 is added to the sum of x and 9. Sum of x and 9 Right, yes, Asha's correct, Jian correct. Sum of x and 9, in this sum of x and 9, you have to add 9. How will you write it? Sum of x and 9, how will we write? Sum of x and 9, x plus 9. Now, in this sum, what we have to add? 9. So, 9 plus x plus 9. Got it? This is your framing equation, framing expression, because there is no equal to. So, this is only expression, not equation, because there is no equal to here. To frame the equation, there should be equal to. Now, y less than sum of x and 11. How will you do it? Y less, y less. Here you have done 7 less. Here it is y less. So how will you do? Sum of x and 11. Please do it, Parthiv. Sum of x and 11. Yes, Jian, correct. Sure, correct. Asha's correct. Parthiv, no. It cannot be correct. That means not numerical cannot be found because we have x and y here also. Okay, so sum of x and 11. How will we write sum of x and 11? X plus 11. In this y is less. So in this y is less. So you have to leave your answer here only because we don't know the value of x and y. So x plus 11 minus y. Got it? Parthiv, is it clear? Okay. Now write 2 times y. How will we write? That means what we are doing, we are framing the English sentences into mathematical sentences, right? How will you write? Yes, Shaurya, Jian, correct. Asha's correct. How will you write 2 times y? Times means what? When it is written in the question, times means what? 2 times y, 2 times 4, 2 times 3. How will we write? 2 times means into. 2 times y. 2 into y. Got it? Or 2y is also correct. Now, 3 times of a number subtracted from 14. How will you do it? 3 times of a number, any number. Now, they have not given you x, y, z. Now, you have to take any number. What is that number? You can take it by your own, any variable. Subtracted from 14. Asha's not correct. Check again. Yes, Asha's, now it is correct. 3 times of a number. Yes, correct, Shaurya. Parthiv, you are sending me only 18. What happened? You don't know how to do? Okay. See, 3 times of a number. Now, I don't know which number. So, let it be x. So, 3 times x, how will we write it? 3 into x. Okay. So, we have done up to here. 3 times of a number is 3 into x. They correct. Now, it is this part is subtracted from 14. So, 14 minus 3x. Okay. 14 minus 3x is correct. Okay, we are subtracting from 14, not 14 is subtracting from this part. So 14 minus 3x. Is it clear? Now give me the answer for the last question. Quotient of x by 7. What is this quotient? Asha's correct. Quotient means what? Yes, how will we do it? Last question. Quotient of x by 7. What is quotient? How we represent quotient? Quotient means division. Now the same question is given like division of x by 7. They correct. Division of x by 7. How will you write it? Shaurya, correct. Jian, no, why it is 3x by 7? It is only x by 7. Question means division. Parthiv, not 7 by x. This is division of x by 7. So division of x by 7. By means divided by. Okay. By means division. Okay. Is it clear, everyone? How to frame the equation whenever any statement, English statement is given and you have to form its mathematical statement. Algebra is basically understanding this part only, that whatever is given in the statements of English, you have to form it in mathematical terms. If you are able to get the algebra, then you are able to solve any chapter. Okay. Now, this is your generalization, algebra as generalization. Suppose we have done some questions that you have to find the present age, or after m years, what will be the age? That is your generalized term. Now, whenever we are reading any formula, that means it is given as a generalized term. Now, suppose it is given that diameter of anything is 2 into radius. Do you know this? What is a diameter? What is a radius? For which shape we learned for diameter and radius? Where it is? For which shape we do? Shaurya, correct. Asha's correct. In which shape there is diameter and radius? Yes, Asha's correct. Can you tell me? Please write it in the chat. For which shape you have studied radius and diameter? Jian, correct. Yes, it is circle. So, what is the diameter? What is the radius? That this is a circle, and if we join any line from center to its boundary, then it is called radius, right? And if I join a line like that, that means it is just crossing the center, and from one end to another end, I have joined this line. This is called your diameter. So that means 2 times r makes you d, right? So this is written as a generalized statement, that what if you multiply 2 into r, or you are doing r plus r, then you will get d. Now r can be anything. Now suppose in a circle your radius is 4. Can you tell me what will be the diameter? If radius is 4, what will be the diameter? Write it in the chat. Asha is correct. Shaurya correct. Parthiv correct. Yes. So that means you have to just double this radius. That means 4 plus 4 will give you d. That is your 8. Okay. Now that means you have formed the formula to find the diameter. That means 2 into radius you will do, and you have formed the diameter. So this formula making is known as your generalization. Okay. Now whatever radius is given to you, you will find the diameter. So you have formed the formula. That is called your generalization. Now, this is the formula for perimeter of a square. That means if you do 4 times of a square, what is the perimeter? That means how you find the boundary of any square. That means this side plus this side plus this side plus this side will give you perimeter. Now, if this side is S, now what will be the perimeter? If one side is S, what will be the perimeter? S plus S plus S plus S. 4 times S. S plus S plus S plus S, or we can say 4 into S. Now, if I have given you that your side is 2, what will be the perimeter? Side is 2, what will be the perimeter? Yes, Asha is correct. Parthiv, what will be the perimeter? Correct. Parthiv. They correct. Jian correct. So that means what you have done in the formula of 4 into S, here side is giving you 2. So 4 into 2 will give you 8. Got it? Clear? Now this is some basic formulas that we already know. Now can you form the formula for this matchstick pattern? If see the pattern here in this matchstick. Here we have 2 matchsticks and we got a pattern. Now I have added some more matchsticks and we got this pattern. Now, third pattern is this. This is your second pattern. This is your first pattern. Can you tell me how many total matchsticks were there in the 10th pattern? How many matchsticks are there here? How many matchsticks here? How many matchsticks total here? And how many will be there in the 10th pattern? Can you tell me? How many total matchsticks will be there in the 10th pattern? 10th pattern. Just see the diagram and tell me the 10th in the 10th pattern. This is your first pattern. This is your second pattern. This is your third pattern. How many matchsticks were there in that last? Okay, Ashas. Yes. They is giving me answer 20. Ashas is saying 20. Jian is saying 20. Shore is saying 100. Okay, let's see. Now in the first pattern, 1, 2, 2 matchsticks are there. Okay, in the second pattern, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 matchsticks are there. In the third pattern, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 patterns are 6 matchsticks are there. So in the one pattern, 2 are there. In the 2 pattern, 4 are there. In the third pattern, 6 are there. Can you see any property here that what will be in the 10th, how it is increasing, in which pattern it is increasing? Sure, correct. That means if you multiply in the first pattern, it is multiplying it by 2, 1 into 2, pattern and number of matchsticks, 1 into 2. Okay, now in the second pattern, if I multiply with 2, 2 into 2 will give me 4. Third pattern is 3 into 2 will give me 6. Now in the 10th pattern, 10 into 2 will give me 20. Now can you tell me in the 50th pattern, how many matchsticks were there? In the 50th pattern, how many are there? Asha is correct, Shaurya correct. Parthiv correct. In the 50th pattern, no Jian. Check your answer again. What we are doing? They not correct. Yes, they, now it is correct. That means in the 50th pattern, you will do 50 into 2. Now, can you tell me in the nth pattern, how many matchsticks were there? Here, I have not given you any number. I have given you any variable. How many will be there in n? How many total matchsticks will be there? Sure, correct. But you have to write n into 2, right? What you have, yes, 2 into n is also correct. N into 2. So this is your correct answer. N into 2. This is, what is n into 2? This is your general statement to find the number of matchstick for this pattern. Got it? Clear? Clear, everyone? Is it clear? Do you have any doubt till now? Okay, that's great. Okay, this will be my last question. Now, please tell me the answer of this. What will be the answer of first part? Let's Mala's age is Z years. What will be her age after 5 years? I don't know what is the age. It is Z is the age. After 5 years, what will be the age? Suppose my age is 30. After 5 years, what will be my age? 30 plus 5. Yes, Rian correct. Asha is correct. Right question number also. I'm not getting that which part you are sending me answer. Yes. So if we are talking about the first part, then after 5 years, that means I have to add 5 in that. So in the present age, I will add 5. Present age is 5. Z plus 5 you will do. You will get the first answer. Now, what was her age 3 years back? That means before 3 years, what will be her age? If right now she is Z, what will be her age before 3 years? Shaurya, correct. Jian, correct. Second question. Parthiv, 7, how you are getting 7? Right now, we don't know what is the age. Correct age, we don't know. But it is giving Z, not 7. You are doing. So what we have to do? Z minus 3. Because we don't know what is the age. This is your unknown. So you have to leave your answer Z minus 3. Okay. Now, third answer. Mala's grandfather is 6 times of her age. 6 times of her age. What is the age? Z. So 6 times of Z. Okay. So we will write 6 times, times means into, 6 times her age means Z. Her age we don't know. If I have given that her age is 9, then we will do 6 into 9. If her age is 10, 6 into 10. But we don't know what is the age. It is Z, so 6 into Z. Got it? Now next question. Mala's father's age is 4 more than, how will you write it? In terms of equation, maths equation, 4 years more than. 4 years more. How will you write? No, Jian, not correct. Shaurya, correct? Yes, Pooja ma'am. Okay, it is the last PPT. Last slide. So 4 more than, just see here, 4 more than 5 times Mala's age. So 4 more than 5 times means into Mala's age, we don't know, it is Z. So this is your answer. Father's age is 4 more means plus, 5 times means into, and this is Z. Okay, so this is your answer. 5 into Z plus 4 will give you father's age. Is it clear, everyone? Do you have any doubt? If it is clear to you, then you can give me a thumbs up. Okay, Parthiv Shaur is clear. Farhan, okay. They, is it clear? Ashaz, Jian, okay. They, correct. Okay, yes. Ashaz and who is remaining? Okay, so if you are able to get it, then that means we are able to get in the main classes also. Okay, and in the classes we are on unmute system, so anytime if you are feeling any difficulty, you can ask me at the same time. Okay, I hope we will meet in the class. Bye everyone, have a nice day. Bye.